Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to say about matching board. How to do matching board like that. Take a thick cardboard, not thin, thick cardboard, and cut it in this shape. Okay. If you don't have the cardboard, then better you can use the calendar. I mean daily sheet calendar like that. Because if you want to do 10 or 8, most probably we will do 10 matching boards, so it's very difficult to find 10 matching boards, 10 calendar boards, so it's really very difficult. Only we can get 5 or 6. So for other things, for other rest of the matching boards, we have to use cardboard only. So I use 5 daily calendar sheets, calendar board, as well as 5 cardboard also. So this is cardboard only how I used. See, I take the thick cardboard and I cut it in this shape. Look, I turn back side also. So this is cardboard only. If you didn't get calendar sheet, then you can use cardboard. So take the big cardboard and cut in this shape, big shape as like calendar board. Then you have to do partition around 6 or 7. Most probably 5 is enough, but I did for this geometry terms I need 7, so I put 7 partition lines. Once you take the cardboard, then after that you can paste your chart, whatever color you want you can paste it. Then at the edge of the corner you have to paste this cellophane tape also, because at the commission time if you take and go, then this edge, nook and corner, this edge will not bend it. It will be really useful. So you have to paste with colorful cellophane tapes. Okay. Then after that you have to put partition. Then you have to put the hole at the starting time itself. Before writing you can put the holes. Okay. Put the holes and you can tie it like this. Then write it properly. Okay. If you write first one at here, then you can write the matching one at any of this one, not same any of this one, from here to here like that. Okay, I did like this. So first let's see, this is for 6th students. So first one is point. So the point one is from here, the matching one is this one, opposite matching is at here. So from here to here, see, look how I'll tie. If I pull this one, then the first one is coming. Then second one, line means I put the opposite one, matching one at here down. See, second one at top. In the next side I put at the down. In the pencil you can write it like this if you find difficult. Okay, for your convenience you can write it very small like this, 2 like this, for easy to see. 2 line means 2, the same thing, line at here. See, so I am pressing, I am pulling this one. Third one is ray. So the matching pair is at here. So I am pulling the ray. If I pull like this, then it will come like this. Then fourth one is line segment. So this matching pair is at the down bottom. Okay. Then fifth is parallel lines. For parallel lines I put it here. See, this is the matching one. Then sixth is perpendicular. For perpendicular lines, where is perpendicular lines? See, perpendicular lines at here, from here to here. Okay, so I pull this one. Seventh, intersecting lines. For intersecting lines matching pair is at here. Okay, so I will turn back also one more time to look at you. See, like this. So this is the way of doing matching board. Okay, hope this will be helpful for many of them. Thank you, students.